Hey there, my name is Spencer Nelson. I'm a product manager here at UpKeep, and in this video I'm going to walk through how to use start dates on work orders. So to add a start date, just create a new work order or edit an existing one. And you'll see here, there's a start date field where you can click in and pick from a calendar or type in, any date and time. You can also give work orders a due date. Once you submit that work order, you'll see that start date is visible as a field here on the work order details itself, as well as here on the work order list. If you're not seeing the start date column visible, it's possible that it's just not turned on in your column preferences. So pop over to this customize button and make sure that this start date box is checked on. Once you have start dates in, you can click on that column to sort by it. So now you can sort of see all your work orders that have a start date in descending order. And of course you can also filter by start date here on the left. And what you can do is create a range, or you can leave either end of this range open to create sort of just like a single bookend. So this would mean that you're going to see all work orders with a start date before January 31st. This would mean that you're going to see all work orders with a start date after January 1st. All right, and that is just about it.